Yan, yan, yan.
Okay, sir, ikot.
Di.
Yan.
Yon. Yon. O, upo sir, upo para makita din namin.
Yan. Ito yung petition natin for prohibition ng damos with injunctive reliefs na pinal natin ngayon against Commission on Elections at saka Department of Foreign Affairs bilang mga respondents dito sa ating yan. Ito yun ang
Pwede ba dito? Okay. Ito po, ginawa po natin ito para sa ating mga kababayan at saka especially sa ating mga overseas Filipino workers. Nung nandoon kasi kami sa Hong Kong with Attorney Jamie Gondok, Attorney Raul Lambino at saka nila Attorney Vic Rodriguez at iba pang mga kandidato, no? Nakita namin yung apprehensions and fears of the overseas Filipino workers and the overseas voters, no, concerning the system that is being sought to be implemented by the Commission on Elections. So pinag-aralan po namin and we found out na yung Commission on Elections resolutions na ipinalabas nila starting with 11061 on overseas Filipino voting system, medyo depektibo po. Kasi po, i-summarize ko na, wala pa pong batas on online voting. Wala pang batas. Ang Commission on Elections, on their own, or on its own rather, issued COMELEC resolutions, 3 COMELEC resolutions, specifically COMELEC Resolution 11061, 11079, 11081, which implements online voting even if there is no law yet on the matter. And we also question the issuance of COMELEC Resolution 11076, which is the guidelines on domestic voting, simply because of the fact that our laws on the matter, specifically Republic Act 9361, Section 31 mandates, 9369 rather, Section 31 mandates manual counting of votes. Ang ginawa po, winala po ang manual counting of votes, ginawa pong electronic, and electronic counting was already repealed, no, by Republic Act 9361. 9369. Palagi akong nagkakamali dyan. Yung batas po on electronic counting was provided in Republic Act 8436. But this was specifically amended by Republic Act 9369. And now, 8436 has been implemented, re-implemented, even if this is in clear violation of an existing law. So our prayers, therefore, is that mandamus to compel the Commission on Elections to implement Section 31 of Republic Act 9369 and to issue resolutions, an appropriate resolution for the implementation of the same. Why? Bakit? Because it is provided by law. Second, it is a voter verification mechanism in itself. Kung meron tayong manual counting, makikita po natin yung progression of votes, makikita ng mga watchers kung sino talaga ang binoto nila at meron tayong tally sheets. Meron tayong election returns na klaro, meron tayong certificate of votes, so we can have clear basis, meron tayong factual basis pagpunta na doon po sa canvassing. Kaming mga lawyers, meron na kaming mga data kung anong nakuha ng aming mga kandidato kada presento, and we can already marshal all our facts and data when we go to the canvassing. Unlike now, bibigyan ka na lang ng election return, hindi mo alam kung paano nakuha yung resulta. Kaya nga po, ang intention po ng batas, Republic Act 9369, is manual counting muna. Ang electronic po, canvassing lang at consolidation of votes. Hindi po included ang counting. Pero ang COMELEC, in-include nila ang counting. Sa overseas Filipino voters naman, Sections 24 and 27 of Republic Act 10591 contemplates paper ballots and on-site voting. Okay? At saka on-site canvassing po. Ang ginawa po ngayon, online na walang batas. So kailangan po maglagay muna ng mga klarong safeguards at saka kailangan i-consulta. Wala kasing consultation dito online voting, diretso na lang, walang batas. At hindi po pwede ang Commission on Elections magawa ng sariling batas na hindi po batas galing ng Kongreso. Yun po ang summary ng aming petition. Ito po ay pinangunahan ng PDP Laban at pinirmahan ito, may resolution ito ng PDP Laban kasi po ang PDP Laban wants to protect the votes of the Filipino people and supported po ito ng mga magigiting na mga abogado ng mga kandidato like Attorney Raul Lambino, no? Attorney Jimmy Bondok, Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Ako rin po ay pumirma, Attorney Israelito Torion at si Attorney Glenn Chong. Hindi lang nakahabol yung kanyang pirma kasi nasa Davao pa siya, but he is one of the petitioners. And meron din pong mga overseas voters and OFW nakasali po dito, petitioners. Nilimit lang namin kasi more than 200 po ang pumunta sa aking opisina. Hindi na po makaya ang pagpasiro. So nilimit lang namin. They are very supportive of our legal move.
Attorney, for the record, we are praying for makapag-issue yung court ng
TRO po na end mandamus, no? Mandatory injunction para po first sa domestic voting na i-implement yung Section 31 ng RA 9369 at magawa sila ng resolution para ma-implementa ito. Hindi naman mahirap eh. Kung pagboto, hindi mo na ipasa doon sa machine, i-manual counting mo lang muna, wala na kailangan gastos. Doon na lang, choke na lang siguro ang tali, no? Wala na kailangan gastos. And then, this will also coincide yung concern ng isang lawyer din, si Attorney Respicio, na doon na lang i-on yung internet pag-transmit na ng mga results. Kaya para sigurado tayo, meron talaga tayong datos kung ilan